Everybody knows that when we're eating a bad diet, there's other things we should be eating. And of course, what's taking place in society today, everybody has this mania with animal protein that if you're not eating animal protein, that you're not going to be strong, and you need it for everything to heal. You have surgery, you need animal protein, and that's just more nonsense. You know, I happen to love animals. I have only had a dog my whole life, 80 years, and I'm not going to eat my dog. That's for sure. And I found out a long time ago, it's so easy to get enough protein if you get enough calories. So, you know, I encourage people to follow a vegan diet.